Hey, what's up? How you guys doing today? Today, guys, I will be showing you guys a quick video on soft lock. And just a reminder, I hope y'all guys go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, please don't mind the interruptions that I will be having, the little ones, of course, and the doggy. Please don't mind, and just enjoy this video. Watch my fingers. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and press the like buttons. You have to understand, I'm a work at home mom, and at the same time I do homeschool my kids, so I will be getting interruptions from my kids. So guys, enjoy. Peace, love, enjoy. Hey guys, I just want to let y'all know that I'm about to start crocheting, and I know I did say the video is a little quick. I just realized that it is not that quick, but however, I'm giving you much details on how I do my soft lock. And again, like, guys, y'all just have to enjoy this video. I'm just giving you all the details on everything here, guys, okay? And again, enjoy, and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yay, the fun is beginning, but I did like a oops here. I was supposed to add the Afro Kinky Actually, I was supposed to crochet the Afro kinky. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna plait it towards the end. That's the longer way, but you want to crochet the Afro kinky and then crochet the locks, for it could go faster. So I'm totally sorry. I was too busy having a conversation with her, and you know, because we're Capricorns and she's an Aquarius actually, but we're just January babies. So we were just having a conversation and I totally forgot to like crochet the Afro kinky, but we're gonna have fun and start the process and wrapping. You see how I wrap it? You want to wrap it real tight on the base of the beginning of the plait. Not too tight where it's gonna hurt her, but you want to wrap it tight so it can give that tight, you know, that nice clean look. So you want to do it that way. Again, guys, like I say, follow my fingers and go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, I am going to say it because I do not have any subscribers, and yes, I do want subscribers. Go ahead and share with your friends. Go ahead and tell your friends, yo, you need to check her out. She be giving the raw details on how to do hair. Yes, go ahead and do that. Do y'all see how pretty these locks are? I know y'all see how they look. It's not tight at all. Trust me, towards the end of the video, she's gonna go ahead and give you all the details on the fact that it's not tight. We're just having a great time doing her hair. You can see my daughter getting my soda, drinking my soda. Again, guys, enjoy. Go ahead, subscribe. Thank you. Yes, I'm a bugaboo. Yes, I will be saying it. I'm doing it right now. You can go ahead. Oh my gosh! Put your hand through. Girl, you look like it. You better start getting dressed. You better start getting dressed. Yes. Yes. So go ahead and tell everybody.
So, if you want to get a protective style that's not heavy, that's light, look, I just got it done. See this? I can do this. I'm not used to that. I love her for doing this for me. You guys gotta come out and get this style. I'm telling you.
Go to turn in the back.
With it. You can
Turn back. Yes. We got a minute. We got a couple of seconds. It is gorgeous. I'm so jealous I can't get this done for my birthday tomorrow, but yet she got hers done for her birthday. Yeah. She got her birthday hairdo.
January, baby.
January, Capricorns, Aquarius.
Yeah.